A new COVID variant has arrived.
Variants are to be expected. This is something that we expect to happen and that we're monitoring for on an ongoing basis.
It's called BA.2.86, the first U.S. case detected right here in Michigan.
That was the first detection in the US, but it had first been discovered overseas. And what this means, the fact that it's now been found in multiple countries, is that likely this is something that had been transmitting for a while.
So how does this variant differ from other COVID variants like Omicron?
We are still in the very early days of finding this variant. And so, what the exact implications are, we don't know yet.
But some things are clear.
There are some signs that we are starting to head towards a little bit of an uptick. And what we know about COVID is that we expect for it to become seasonal as time goes on.
Medical experts say it's crucial that everyone work together to keep COVID numbers down.
We have tools. We have tools to prevent outbreaks. We have tools to prevent the spread. And by tools, I'm really talking about things like vaccines.
In fact, updated COVID-19 vaccines are slated to come this fall. But as COVID numbers continue to rise, some Metro Detroiters say they're not concerned.
I can't imagine that they're going to shut anything down, so we still have to go to school, we still have to go to work, wash your hands, protect yourself, and there's only so much you can do.
I'm vaccinated, so I think that should protect me against it.
Any plans to get the new booster once it's on the market, once it comes out?
No, probably not.
Medical professionals make it clear now is not the time to let your guard down.
And that means making sure you're up to date with vaccination. If you develop symptoms, taking a test for COVID. If you do develop COVID, using a therapeutic, if prescribed to you by your doctor.
But medical professionals say despite the arrival of a new variant, there's still some good news to report about numbers and the ongoing fight against COVID.
We are at what is a low when you look at today compared to other times in the pandemic. We are still at lows that we had not seen through the pandemic. So we're still in a good place here in Michigan.
In Southfield, Ingrid Kelly, Fox 2 News.